Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, back with me Khairul Gali Saputra. In my video, I will present you about my research proposal. The title is The Use of ICT as an Icebreaker at English Language Education Department of UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya. In this part, I will explain you about the background of this research. ICT development certainly represents rapid progress in the educational world. Some online applications have changed the learning process more easily and more quickly, particularly in finding teaching materials, collecting the tasks, and also as a learning media. Students and teachers are expected to use the technology to support the learning process optimally. For instance, there are several online applications to create and also do an online quiz. It is simpler than the traditional approach because the learning process and the technology itself are integrated, especially in the English language teaching context. ICT itself has a very wide meaning. According to Amin, has online that is an interrelated concept that encompasses all communication devices or applications, including radio, television, mobile phones, hardware and software for the computer and network. Many studies have examined the use of ICT in the ALT context, ranging from the types of ICT that used in ELT and also the use of ICT to improve academic performance students. But there is still little research that examines the use of ICT in learning activities, one of which is the use of ICT as ice-breaking. So, in this research, we'll focus on the types of ICT that use as icebreakers in learning activity, and also the study will cover the development of ICT as icebreakers, which is obtained by the students' perspective in English Language Education Department of UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya. This research was formulated some research questions. For the first is, what types of ICT that used by the students to do icebreaker at English Language Education Department of UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya? And the second is, what is students' perception on the use of ICT as icebreaker at English Language Education Department of UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya? And the last is, how the use of ICT as icebreaker in learning activity at English Language Education Department of UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya can be improved. This research has review of related literature. For the first is review from theoretical framework. There are some theoretical framework that I put in this research. For the first is ICT. Then I break down into some parts. For the first is the definition of ICT, and the second is ICT as a learning source, and the second is ICT as a teaching media. And the next is the use of ICT in teaching. And the second is review from theoretical framework of icebreaker. And I break down into some parts too. The first is the definition of icebreaker. And the next is the use of icebreaker. And the next is kinds of icebreaker. And the third theoretical framework is the review of perceptions. I break down into some parts too, and the first is the definition of perception, and the second is factors affecting perception. The next is literature review from previous studies. The first is ICT-based instructional material development, a study of communication department students by Muhammad Teguh Prasetyo. This paper aims at explaining how the ICT-based training material process is developed for students in the Department of Communications. The second was by Jumatul Hidayah, entitled The ICT Used by the English Lecturers for Non-English Study Program Students at IAIN Curug. This research is done by the researcher to study ICTs for non-English student study programs at the IAIN Curug, and investigate the ICT roles for the English lecturer at IAIN Curug. And the last is ICT Kahoot program for English student learning booster from Budiati. In an English classroom, Kahoot designed as a combination of ICT use in education and games. is highly applied to boost students' learning. Class research will use descriptive qualitative research with the result of data from interviews and observation. Data sourced from the study were students at English Language Education Department of UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya, and also their learning activities. To collect the data, the researcher will have an observation in the class. Then, the researcher will use the interview to complete the data about the types of ICT that are used for icebreakers and how is the use of ICT as an icebreaker can be improved at English Language Education Department of UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya. It is related to the perspective of the students. And then, to analyze the data, researchers use 3 steps. First, by reducing the data. The second is displaying the data, so the researchers tries to organize, and the last is collect the data after focusing and reducing the data.